What's up, Credit family? It's your pops, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. Today's video, we are going to talk about all that junk mail that you get from the credit card companies, guys. I know most of you guys get it and throw it away. Some of you guys open it up and apply. Guys, I think that you should take a look at that email, those junk mails, and say, okay, I'm going to save this one. I'm going to toss this one. If it's from a big, reputable bank, guys, I think you should save it and consider it that, you may or may not apply for that credit card. If they're sending you offers in the mail, you should consider it instead of just toss it. I do it all the time. The big, reputable banks, they already ran my credit. They did a soft pull on my credit already, so they know what they feel that I am a good candidate for their credit product. And so they send me pre-approved information, and I will put that that offer. I put it aside until I can accumulate a few of them, and then I'll say, okay, yeah, I'll apply for this one. Oh, I'll apply for this one. I like the offer that this one has, and so forth. And then if I get any from those subprime, horrible, banks, Credit One, those ones I just go toss them. Those guys are awful. They're just taking advantage of people. So you guys get the Credit One or the Premier Bank, whatever those subprime credit card companies, just toss those one. And the big ones like Citibank or Wells Fargo or Chase or Discovery, get those ones. Those are the ones I save, and I look to see what type of offer that they have, and then I will apply for them if they meet the strategy that I'm applying for on my overall strategy for credit cards. If they have like 0% offer for like 21 months and stuff like that, and that's something I may consider. But the smaller ones, not say smaller ones, the kind of horrible ones like Credit One, then I just toss those ones. Those are not even worth me opening and taking a look at. So hopefully the information was helpful for you guys. If it was, give me the old thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button. And that's all I have for you guys today. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.